How often do you find yourself overworked in your business, unsure about being able to survive the next month? As a small business owner, you likely juggle everything yourself, just winging every process in your business. But this isn't sustainable, and is why you worry about surviving another month. In this video, I'll show you how your messy processes put your business in danger, and how to build systems for scale. Inspired by Nafisa Bakkar's book How to Make Money, an honest guide to going from an idea to a six-figure business, John owns an online writing service business that provides copywriting services to small business owners. Like many small business owners, he works long hours every day to keep his business running. But cash flow is inconsistent. One month he's able to save a lot of the earnings, the next he has to borrow to survive. Why is that? Why is this the same for most small business owners? John, and many others, are guilty of lacking systems in their business. John has no consistent method to make sales, to advertise, or even to copyright. He starts from scratch all the time, wasting his energy and time on every new task. As a result, he's burnt out, his profits fluctuate, and his clients have mixed reviews about his services. If you don't have systems, the same is likely for your business. A book I recommend that dives deep into how to build systems is The E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber. Here, I'll simply explain how to gain more focus and quickly build systems for your processes. To improve your business's focus, use the consistency framework presented by the author. It's simple. You set a goal for your business, identify the habits, establish the systems, and review them often. Let's go through each. Goals give you something to aim for. Your goal can be a money goal or something related to key performance indicators. The habits in this case are called income-generating tasks, or IGTs. They are the tasks that make your business the most money. To find your IGTs, narrow down all the things your business does and find what makes the business the most money. You can rank your tasks in terms of profitability to your business. You'll be surprised how little of your tasks actually make a significant impact on your business's bottom line. Establishing the systems will allow your business to operate on its own. To systematize your processes, you need business models. Think about it like this. If you kept buying different grocery items at multiple stores, it would take forever to finish grocery shopping. That is what having no business model is like for your business. Taking different routes all the time because your business doesn't have a clear road. Business models are complex topics only taught in business schools. They can be as simple as selling a product straight into your customer's hands. This is called D2C. Other common business models include subscription services, freemiums, and marketplaces. If it allows you to find customers, close sales, and make money repeatedly, it's a business model. Lastly, reviewing your systems often ensures that you don't waste time on things that no longer benefit your business. For example, an owner of a small consultancy firm started off by meeting one client at a time to sell their services, but as their business gained more clients, they saw that meeting up with everyone individually to give similar advice was no longer a good idea. As your business grows, the same will happen to some of your current operations. They will become irrelevant and require change. Reviewing your systems often may be every month or quarter, whatever works for you. Let's go back to John. After learning about the consistency framework, he immediately implemented it. His goal was to make $100,000 net profit in the next 2 years. His IGTs were sales and copywriting. He delegated and eliminated all other tasks. He wrote down steps on how to consistently close a sale and how to copyright effectively, systematizing his processes. When he started hiring copywriters and salespeople, the documented steps allowed his work to be seamlessly replicated. He was closing sales and completing work more quickly, and customers largely loved his service. Every quarter, he reviews his systems and makes changes if needed, increasing profits even further. He reached his $100,000 in less than 2 years. I hope this video was helpful. Nafisa Bakkar's book is so helpful and provides many insights. It's a great read for any founder. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.